power of manufacturing, Sampa Plastic Injection Factory. There are 14 steps to manufacturing parts made for your heavy-duty truck at the plastic injection plant. The initial stage where thermoplastic materials undergo processes that define precision and efficiency. Sampa boasts a remarkable annual capacity, shaping 4,000 tons of plastics for 675 item templates across 77 product categories. Using 21 injection machines and 5 robots, a testament to its commitment to high volume and efficient production. Production starts with planning. All activities are meticulously planned, aligning them with customer demands while optimizing manufacturing processes for seamless operations. Plastic injection production at Sampa involves 14 meticulous steps, starting with engineers at our cutting-edge Research and Development Center, CAMP, who develop tailored blueprints and test metal, plastic, and rubber properties. These plans encompass size, material selection, weight capacity, and crucial specifications for all plastic components. Utilizing MTS ensures material durability through fast and efficient endurance simulation solutions, which include tests on plastic properties and fatigue life. This approach results in stronger, lighter, and more environmentally friendly materials with heightened durability and better safety. By using the Gottfert capillary rheometer, flow behavior of plastics under varying conditions can be fully analyzed. Melt flow analysis involves assessing the flow behavior of molten plastic as it moves through a specialized test apparatus. By measuring the rate of flow under controlled conditions, this analysis helps optimize the injection molding process, ensuring precise shaping of plastic parts for highest quality. The ash moisture test scrutinizes raw material for fiber ratio and moisture content. This process involves heating the sample to remove moisture and analyzing the remaining ash residue to determine material composition and quality. The factory depends on the Mitutoyo CMM for precision inspection, ensuring precision measurement and inspection of plastic components, thus maintaining strict adherence to specified tolerances and international quality standards. With access to 35 distinct color master batches, the factory meets diverse customer preferences by producing products in a vast array of colors. Testing completed, plastic injection production can now begin. Employing 18 injection machines with clamping loads ranging from 120 to 1,850 tons and volumes from 200 to 9,700 cubic centimeters, the factory leverages various thermoplastic materials. With an extensive collection of over 1,560 molds, the factory can manufacture an impressive array of 2,065 different plastic products, varying in size from 0.1 grams to 12,000 grams. At the Sampa Injection Factory, 675 unique products are manufactured for global customers, with a total of 2,065 of projects in progress. These components play crucial roles in commercial vehicles, encompassing suspension, cabin, gearbox, engine, universal parts, chassis, clutch, cardan shaft, steering, and brakes. Fully committed to sustainability, the Sampa Injection Factory champions environmental responsibility, actively integrating recycled materials into its production processes whenever feasible and steadfastly advocating for a greener future for all of us. Raw materials are carefully selected to align with customer specifications. Sampa quality control is utilized at every point of product design, development, manufacture, assembly, and testing. The finalized products seamlessly integrate with other Sampa factories, showcasing the Sampa power of manufacturing across distinct product types. This ensures a harmonious and interconnected production chain, promoting efficient collaboration and guaranteeing streamlined manufacturing processes.